Made a mistake. I should have put this piece on first to tighten it down. Huh. Yep. Can't be doing that. Okay, like that. Make sure it's straight. And then I'll hook up the lights after. But yep, that's what it looks like. Perfect. I like that. Now we can come in through here and hook that end up. But now make sure I keep all of our tools together up here, and I've got to find the fittings for it. Which are here, they come with. And I gotta find the right fitting that fits into there. I probably could. So yeah, I think it's this one. So, yep.